What's up, YouTube? A little bit of racing recap. I did take the car to the track last Saturday. Did not turn out how I hoped it would. Turns out I had the wrong gear and put the wrong transmission in it, so I didn't have second.
Driving the 808 there, she has already. Then it's the young lady from Holly, Texas. I think she's a sophomore or a junior in high school, the 17L. That's Lacey Mills from Holly, Texas. Here's Pippa, the 011 from McCauley, Texas. Lane Stern from Mormon 52 machine. Jonathan Campbell from Clyde driving the Double Zero. And John Lamb in the 88 car looking at 57 Chevrolet.
I do have my backup transmission. It's a good transmission. The bell housing got cracked and we had to get it re-welded. But it's a good transmission. It's going to go in and I'm going to be able to race tomorrow. I had to wait until Friday. Let me back up a little bit. Wish I could zoom out on this camera. Anyway, I'm going to get this transmission in. I already got the gear in. And then get it filled up, get the car loaded, and then tomorrow, hopefully it turns out quite a bit better than it was going, because that cost a lot of money, took a lot of time, you know, towed 30 miles one way to find out that I had the wrong transmission and the wrong gear in the car. So I'm going to fix that, and I'm going to try to actually post the race. So I think it'd be pretty cool to actually be able to build the car, work on the car, show time lapses and stuff, and then show it actually on the track. Alright, I'm having a little bit of trouble lining stuff up, but I'm gonna take a break, let my phone charge a little bit, and then hopefully I'll have this done and running here soon before my phone even gets a charge. got it loaded up, so I guess we're going racing tomorrow.